Hi guys, it's Camiforex right here. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how we caught over 500 pips trading gold today, Monday, and we did this live on TikTok last night. So I'm going to be walking you my market breakdown on how I predicted this coming and how you too can learn from it. So let's get in. All right, so I started yesterday by doing a top-down analysis by taking my trades from the bigger time frame going right down to the smaller time frame. So right here, this is what we had. So this is like our daily time frame, and you can see that I am just trading price action, that is support and resistance, trend line, candlestick confirmation with liquidity. Those are the four things that constitute the strategy that I apply in trading only gold. Okay, so from here we realize that the market has been reacting at this spot. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this should probably be number 5, and we are anticipating that when the number 5 touches come, it may break and continue rallying to the upside. Remember, the more the touches, the more weaker it becomes. So last night we look at this market and we had two things in mind. So the first one was for the market to push up right to this level and give us candle confirmation that is going to break and continue, or it will right away give us a rejection confirmation to the downside. But let us break it down so that we can understand much better. So let me go down to 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we were able to identify that this chart is very simple for you to look at what has been happening. Looking at support and resistance, this has been a major support level down here and a major resistance level up here. So how do you take advantage of this? It means that once the market opens, we are going to be monitoring and looking at what is going to happen on this chart immediately the market opens. So there were two scenarios, and what would have made us to enter this trade was going to be our candlestick confirmation. So the market open, if it breaks above this strong resistance zone and we wait for a retest, then we can take a buy, and our TP is going to be at this level here. When it gets here, we are going to be looking to see what the market is going to be doing. If it's going to continue rallying to the upside, or it's going to bounce and give us a reversal signal, or the market is going to bounce here like this. So what we did, bounce here and then retrace. So this is a screenshot of the chart. All right, you can see the time that we posted. That was yesterday, 10:21. I was live on TikTok breaking down this chart, and if you look at the screenshot here too, you can see that was August 10 at exactly 10:21 UTC plus 1. So let's come back to our chart. So the market opened, and the confirmation that gave us this sell signal was this candle here. You can see that what the market have been rejecting these areas like this, and when the market opened, it gave us this sweet rejection here, and immediately after this rejection, a trade was taken. All right, though I was somehow doubtful, but this was the entry, and the stop loss was above here, quite really long. And then looking at how the market have really been ranging within all of these areas, my own ideal TP was supposed to be here, but when the market structure was changing, my final TP was brought down here. Why? Because the market has considered this as a trend line liquidity, because if you want to draw this, you have a trend here, and it's going to push down to fulfill all of them, giving us 500 pips that we caught. Not just that, there were other setups that we look at on GG. This is GG. In the same manner, last night when the market opened, we analyzed this again, and the market came right up to our TP and then pushed back downward. So this is also an awesome trade that we took last night. And there was another one again on Euro USD. This one was live this afternoon. There was this sweet trend, and then after that trend, it gave us a break of the trend here, and mind you, there is a strong support here that became a resistance. So we took this one and it became a smooth ride downward, giving us 53 pips and risk reward of 1:10. You can see why I put my TP here. You can see that the market has gotten to what? To a significant resistance area, which has now become a support, and you can see that area has hold price and is rejecting price back upward. And we also had this on GU. we had the same sell on GU, but we did not take the sell. You can see this is it, smooth like this. All right, so I don't know, are you trading price action? Which strategy are you using to trade? Is it working for you? But we did our breakdown on GU, and this is what we had. So let me quickly show you so you can get a glimpse of what we had and why we were looking for the sell there. So you can see right here that the market was in an uptrend and then changed trend and was moving downward. We were expecting this trend, and this was a significant resistance level up here or a supply zone up here, but the market was at this point when we were analyzing this afternoon. So this is a break of this zone and a retest. Why? The market has reacted here before. The market breaks, retested it and pushed to the upside, so it became a reason why this market was rejecting from this point. That was justifiable. Now remember that this is our trend, touch 1, touch 2, and then at this touch here, it gave us what? It gave us a major break and then a retest of it a little bit, pushing back upward. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So you can see the retest of that trend. This is the retest of the trend. Market opened, it pushed up, gave us this candle rejection here, which is our shooting star here, and pushed downward. Now we can't really conclude about this particular setup yet, but the market is currently changing direction. So I am assuming that when the next 4 to 6 hour candle want to close, this candle can end up closing in a rejection and then pushing the market back to the upside, bringing it right up to this zone here. Nevertheless, I'm open to what the market can do next. Okay, so once we saw this, let me go to 15 minutes time frame. Once we saw this, we decided to take our entry from this point where the market had broken this significant trend, and our initial TP was here. Let me show you. I don't know if some of the guys on live took this trade or not. Stop loss was above this high here, about that was 10 pips. It was 10 pips, and then TP was here. TP was here at this low here. Now, when you are entering multiple positions, you can put this is TP1, TP2, TP3, and this should be TP4. Okay. Remember, the market will drop, give us a pullback drop, and as you can see, the market came to this point, break it, and then retested before continue going back downward. This was supposed to be a 1:4, but the 3 main trades we took were GBP, JPY, Euro, USD, and that of gold that gave us 500 pips. So putting everything together, I can say we ended up cutting about 570 something pips on our Monday trade today so far. So I am running a free Signal community now, which is my VIP Signal group. It is free, but for you to join the Signal group, you have to be trading with my broker, which is Xness. And all you have to do is to create your account using my Xness referral link so that I can know that this person that is trading with me is actually making money. If you already have an Xness account, there's a way for you to change your partner and be under me. I have made a video about it. All you have to do is to go to your Xness account, click on the live chat and type in change my partner. They are going to be sending you a link, and once you receive this link, all you have to do is to fill in the page, fill in the form, and once you are filled in this form, you copy my referral link from my Telegram community or from the video comment section of this video and you paste it there. You are going to be gaining access to my VIP link by sending me your email. Once I confirm your email is under me, you have access to my VIP community. All you have to do is to create a new trading account and name it Camiforex VIP, so that this way you'll be able to know if you are actually making money with my signals or not. All right, so guys, see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video so far, please click on the subscribe button to support my channel. See you in the next one.